So my platform that I chose to learn more about was Google Classroom, and I actually had a lot of fun creating my own uh, fake classroom. I chose to do third grade math because that is my grade of interest, and I've always loved math. So what I did was I just added student one, student two, and student three, and I included two activities. Both can be completed online, just because I think if we're going to use Google Classroom, we should put some assignments on there just to keep it virtual. This could be useful for another shutdown, a snow day, whatever the case may be, that a student needs to stay home and do homework. So the first one I did activity 1.1. The assignment, both these are for multiplication because that's my unit that I'm pretending to teach. So the instructions for the activity 1.1, I said to click on the link and complete all 10 problems. And then when you are finished, take a screenshot of your page and comment it below. After you have commented your picture, head on over to the tug of war multiplication game to show off your skills. Do this by, I just said the 30th of this month, and then I said happy Monday. So what I did was I did just an initial activity, kind of like a homework assignment, just so they can get some practice and get really comfortable and good at repeated addition, multiplication. And then once they turn that in with that screenshot, I add another game. It's called the Tug Teams Multiplication. It's more so just a game. It's just the more you get right, the faster you win, and it's kind of a timed thing. So it's just a fun way for students to show off their skills and gain confidence in what they're doing. But we can take a look further. So the first link takes us to the multiplication and repeated addition. This is free. You just click on the green button there. And then when they're done getting all 10 problems correct, then they would just take a screenshot and they would submit the activity on my Google Classroom. The second one, when they are done, was the team multiplication game. Again, they would just click the link and it would automatically open up for them. And it's pretty straightforward. They could put their own names, blah, 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 and play the game. And again, I just did, send a screenshot or comment a screenshot when they're done. I did this too because this is something that they're probably most likely going to do to turn in homework throughout middle school, high school, and even in college, is by screenshotting and submitting, which is the way we are moving to with technology. So yeah, that is my third grade math Google Classroom. I really liked it. It was really handy to use because it just automatically uploaded all my Google accounts, so it wasn't a whole lot of mess. It was really clean, really clear cut. It was easy to figure out after watching the tutorial videos. One thing I would change, I wish I could personalize it more. There's a lot of default settings, which are great, and they're very nice and clean, but I wish I could go in and just personalize the page a little bit more. And yeah, that's all I got.